Today, we'll explore 5 incredible mods, chosen for their gameplay enhancement, graphics improvements, and overall immersive experiences. First up, we have Name of the Mod. This mod introduces stunning graphics and a variety of new gameplay features that rejuvenate your experience in Calradia. Name of the Mod changes the way you interact with the world. Its innovative mechanics bring fresh strategies to battles and questing. Next, we have Name of the Mod. This modification enhances AI interactions and quest variety, ensuring each playthrough feels unique. Name of the Mod offers a unique perspective by introducing complex NPC behaviors that challenge your negotiation and battle strategies. Our third mod is Name of the Mod. This one focuses on expanding the universe with additional content and enhanced graphics that truly beautify the environment. Name of the Mod significantly boosts replayability with vast new quests and immersive locations to discover. The fourth entry is Name of the Mod. This mod immerses players deeper into the lore and world-building aspects of Bannerlord with intricate storytelling. Name of the Mod transforms the experience by incorporating richer dialogues and a detailed world that makes you feel part of the narrative. Finally, let's look at Name of the Mod. This mod accentuates combat mechanics, introducing new strategies and dynamics to battles. Name of the Mod adds depth, making each encounter more strategic and rewarding with options that cater to various play styles. And there you have it, our top 5 standout mods for Bannerlord. We encourage you to explore these modifications to elevate your gaming experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experiences with these mods in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.